Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing slide. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's start. First of all, open up a blank slide and you have to go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert this shape. You're gonna increase its size, remove its outline, and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and put one of it on top of the other. Next, we're gonna select both of them and then duplicate them, and then we're gonna put them just below them, and then we're gonna duplicate them again, and they will automatically fit into their places as we had done before. Now we're gonna group all of them and then rotate them. But first, let's re-rotate them. We're gonna just duplicate them again and put one on top again so that we can get more of these. Ungroup everything and select all of them, go to shape format, go to merge option and click on union. Rotate them like this and put them into the slide, half inside and half outside. Go to fill color and click on picture texture fill and insert a beautiful image from your device. Next, what we're gonna do is uncheck this box of tilt with the shape. We're gonna crop it and then we're gonna put it into our slide. Close the format background panel. You're gonna cover the outer part of the image from with a rectangle and duplicate it and put it just below. Select the image and then the rectangle. Go to merge options. Click on subtract to remove the outer part. We're gonna also do the same with the right side part that is out of our slide. So that next what we're gonna do is recrop it again because when we subtracted our shape, our picture was like not as we did it before. Next, what we're going to do is insert a title text box in which we're going to write a title and then increase its size, change its font. The font I'm using is F20 font. And then what we're going to do is change its fill using eyedropper from the image. You can use different like color from the image. So the color I'm using is pink. Let's increase the image and the text size, and we're going to insert our content text, decrease its size and decrease its width, and then give it line spacing of 1.5 centimeter. And this is how it looks right now. What we're going to do is cut off half of the text and paste it again just below and decrease its size. Select both the text boxes, and then we're going to change their size to 10, and let's just give them some bullet points. Here you go. So that's all you had to do in this video, and this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.